个吧。
按照常数啊。这个现在是多快的速度
199的岁数。
？100。
还快一点。
差不多就行，差不多就行。
开始调光。
从哪里开始？
随便从哪里开始，回去剪就好了。
第一个排线设置线径就是设置的越大，然后这个节距就越大，中间的空隙。
So let's see this one. This one means set wire diameter. And what does this mean? It means that you can set the diameters of the wire, such as the diameters of this cable is 5 millimeters. You can touch this blank and put it 5. And then touch enter. That's it. And this value, it will influence the distance between two cables. So if your diameters of the cable is so large, it means that
有点难。
有点难。就这样吧，就回去剪吧。
啊，没事。
第二个。
第二个设置洗脸，就是说这个排线器和这个平台是平的。
OK， 来。先从这里，然后再讲这里啊。This one, the second one. Let's see the second one. The second one is nice starting point. This means this device, because the wire come out through here, and then you need to make sure this wire and this platform at the same level. And as we can see here, the number is 3.1. This is our set value, so it doesn't need to be changed.
第三个是排线宽度，排线宽度就是一卷线的高度，然后相当于说线径设的越大就会设的越高。
So let's see the third one. This is the cable width. Apparently, we can see the torque, the height of the cable. Such as here, we can see the height of this cable probably is 10 millimeters. Then we
高度，一下高度。
we can see here, it's around 7 millimeters. Then we could put in. Okay, sorry. It's 70 millimeters. So we can put in 70, and that's it. Because it will influence the height of this machine. Just like that.
设置米数就是你当成100米就直接设100米，开200米就设200米。
那 guys see the last one, the set fly length? This means that if 1/4 cables is about 300 meters, then you could put in 300. If 100, then it will become 100.
这里要排到那个。
这个这个是长的。
要不要讲？
这些你觉得有必要吗？
跟汽车这个就简单的
没必要，这个。
它因为它不是设置嘛。
对对。And this one, the yield, means that how many